if you are preparing for bedtime, this is your bedtime wind down. You can do this directly on your bed, next to the bed, on carpet, or even on your yoga mat. So just start by getting a little bit of space between the knees. Sit on your heels. You could take your pillow and just put that under your butt so you have a little bit of cushioning. From there, stretch your arms out and let the forearms stack. Bring the forehead down on your arms and just take a few breaths in and out through the nose, releasing anything from your day that is still lingering. Often we stretch the body, but we don't let things go from the mind. So just with every exhalation, let it symbolize a sense of release, a sense of letting go, and invite a sense of ease with every breath, with every inhalation. You can also release your arms and have your forehead against the mat itself. Let's do 3 more breaths, noticing the breath across the back of your rib cage and lungs. This pose with the forehead connected to the hands, the bed, the pillow, the mat. It's very quietening for the nervous system. And maybe just roll the forehead from side to side, like a gentle massage. If you're on your forearms, this might be a little too much. This pressure, this contact of the eyebrow center and the forehead is so powerful in drawing our awareness inward. And draw the hands towards the knees. As you inhale, let the head feel heavy. And you lift yourself up. Now you could continue sitting on your heels if that is comfortable for you. And then just drop the head to your right ear or right shoulder. Stretch the left arm out. Flex the left wrist. You can even use your right hand to just gently pull the right ear towards the right shoulder. Now everything's soft. And then come back, sit. Other side, drop the opposite ear. Pre-bedtime, we don't want too much movement, too much stimulation. Because then it actually starts to wake us up and activate us. And be very alerting. So everything we do will be low to the ground, slow movements, and then we'll come back. Okay, from there, have a seat. I'm continuing to sit on the pillow, but you can sit in any comfortable position. Now send the legs forward. Okay? From here, take your right ankle over your left thigh and bend the knee. And then flex the right ankle, arms support you, and gently just move the right knee away from the body. Stay here for a breath. If you've been sitting all day, you might be a little tight around the hip and the glute. And then we release. Let's take figure 4 to the other side. Bend the opposite knee. Bring the leg in. And just flexing the left ankle, moving the left knee. Keep turning your mind to the breath. And then slowly bringing that down and release. And roll the ankles in one direction. Just soft movements, releasing the joints, releasing any stiffness that may have built up. And then reverse it. Something very soothing about releasing the ankles, these small rotations, and then just flex the feet and point. And again, flex the feet and point. Let's do one more. Flex the feet and point. Now return to cross legs. As you inhale through the nose, take your left arm up and over and just nothing active. Everything very soft, very relaxed. And then come back in. We're just doing one because we want this wind down routine to be feasible, effortless. And then the other arm, again, look down. This is very activating to look up. So I would look down. And then we come up. Place your hands on the thighs. Roll your shoulders back a few times. One or two more. And then reverse it. Go the other way. Such a simple but powerful movement. One more. And then join the soles of your feet. This is a wonderful pose to do, especially if you've been sitting on furniture all day, and who hasn't. And then hinging forward from the hips. Remember, we're not trying to push into a very active practice. Let the hands come down on the floor, on the feet. Notice the breath in the belly. And then slowly sit back up. Okay. Now our last seated pose here. Start to send the legs to the front of the mat or the front of the bed. Okay. Bend the right knee and then just reach your arms forward. Now, if you can't get to the foot, that's completely fine. Just have the hands resting on anything. You could grab a pillow. You could have the arms resting on the pillow. If I show you this from the side, we are here. Something for the forehead to rest on will be deeply relaxing. Take 2 or 3 breaths here. There are no words to express how soothing this pose feels. And then we come back up. Other side. Bend the other knee. Reach that arm. And adjust the cushion. I want you to not feel like your nose is getting squished. Breathing in and out through the nose. That's such a calming signal, especially as we wind down. And remember, even a little movement goes a long, long way. We're so used to doing just moving that we forget the power of stillness. And then slowly lift yourself up. And then we come up and out of it. Now take your cushion, place it behind you. Put your head down on the pillow. And then just draw the knees to your chest. I'm someone who likes to move a lot and be very active. And honestly, sometimes I find these type of practices pretty challenging. But I also know that I need this to balance all the movement, busyness, and action and activity. Drop the knees to your right side. Your left arm just opens to the left side. And you are welcome to also put, if you have a second cushion, I would place that between the knees. And it'll feel so wonderful. 1 or 2 more breaths here. End of the day, you don't need a lot. Just need a little bit of space to release anything that's still pent up from the day. And then come back up. Take the knees to the other side. Reach the arm open. When we stretch this portion out, where you see my arm is signaling, which releases the lower back. It helps us to breathe comfortably. And then slowly roll back in. And then you have two options. Okay. Option one, you just roll over to your right side and make sure it is the right side because there's significance of how that wakes up our lunar channel in the nose. And then reach the right arm. And then you have two options here. You can leave your right arm out to the side and the left arm up over the knees or over the legs, or you keep your arms close to you. Draw the knees to your chest. And I'm going to just signal some things with the breath for you to focus on. Let your eyes fall closed. Inhale comfortably. Exhale smoothly. Continue. Notice the breath around the navel. And just go deep into your breath. If the mind gets bored or restless, turn it back to the breath for just a few more rounds. Keep noticing the breath around the navel, the side ribs, the back lungs. And know that stillness is more powerful than anything else. And lastly, if anything is still lingering from the day, exhale it out. Everything else can wait. This video will slowly end at this point. I hope you have a wonderful night's sleep. I'll see you on the other side.